Chilling new details tonight in the murder of Coral Springs Vice Mayor Nancy Metayer Bowen. Police say she was killed by her husband with a shotgun, muzzled by a pillow. Detectives say he then slept in their house while her body was upstairs. CBS News Miami's Abby Dodge is your reporter live in Coral Springs with the latest on the murder that's shocked the community. Abby?
Statements and messages from all across the state of Florida have been pouring in over the last couple of days, but it's right here in Coral Springs where the loss of the vice mayor is felt the most. Coral Springs is filled with sorrow. Flags at half-staff and a growing memorial are a small indicator of Vice Mayor Nancy Metayer Bowen's reach. She was ingrained in her community and sought support from other elected leaders like Tamarac's Vice Mayor Marlon Bolton, who said her career was just getting started.
She always wants to excel, but not just excel. She wanted to make sure that any job that she had, she wanted to help people. And so she thought that Congress would have done that for her.
Friends say she was set to announce her candidacy today. Bolton says he got a call from her family shortly after her death asking for prayers.
The family is still mourning. They're shut in. They're crying. They're weeping. And you know, we just have to pray for them.
A city staffer had tried to reach Metayer Bowen's husband, asking for help after she didn't show up to a meeting. Bowen replied he texted his wife and she's not picking up. The mayor of Coral Springs shared his sorrow with the city Thursday.
She was more than a colleague. She was a dear friend, a leader, and a true light in our city. She showed us what a true public servant looks like.
According to the arrest form, her body was found wrapped in blankets and placed inside of garbage bags. Detectives say Stephen Bowen, now charged with premeditated murder and tampering with evidence, confessed to shooting his wife when he showed up at his uncle's house to hide a shotgun. He allegedly told his uncle he couldn't take it anymore. Bolton says Metayer Bowen's death will not define her legacy.
I don't think that we want to remember how she died, but we want to remember how she lived.
And a vigil is going to be held tomorrow night starting at 7 o'clock here at City Hall. As far as Stephen Bowen, he is still in jail in Broward County without bond. Anyone coming to the vigil tomorrow night is asked to wear orange or green. Live from here in Coral Springs, Abby Dodge, CBS News, Miami.